Yo, it's time for another no excuses marketing video. So I've been seeing some people talking about LiveGood, saying how they would join LiveGood, but they just don't got time for it because they have a 9-to-5 job. Well, listen, let me tell you something. It does not matter if you have a 9-to-5 job. You still can promote and make money with LiveGood. But here's the reality of the situation. If you want to be successful with LiveGood, if you really want to make money with LiveGood, you do have to put in some sort of effort. So if you take this opportunity serious, you have to find the time to promote LiveGood. You just got to find the time, all right? But if you're working a 9-to-5, you have no excuse. This is what you can do, all right? Now, if you're serious about LiveGood, you can do this. So say, for example, you're doing video content, whether you're doing, Instagram Reels or TikTok or YouTube, which I always tell people to do. Go to work like 10 minutes early. Sit in your car and shoot a couple short videos just like I'm doing right now. This video is not going to be long. You can spare 2-3 minutes before your job, right? If you're serious. All right. So you can actually even post this video before you go into your job, or you can shoot a couple videos right before you go into your job. And then whenever you get a lunch break or 15-minute break, or wherever your breaks work, you can post these videos on your lunch break, right? Then when you get home, before you go into your house, right? Before you pull up in the driveway, whatever, you can shoot another 1 or 2 minute quick videos and then post them videos later that night or before you go in the house, right? It'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes to post these videos. Do you have any idea how much content you would create if you did this 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 days out the week, promoting your LiveGood opportunity? Like, think about it, right? Right there, that's no excuses. You can promote the hell out of LiveGood with a 9-to-5 job. And if you're not using videos, you can use the same concept if you're doing, Facebook marketing or anything like that. You can make a couple posts before you go into your job, make a couple posts on your lunch breaks, make a couple posts when you get home, or you could even be, messaging people on Facebook, which I really don't do, but you can do that on your lunch break, introducing people to LiveGood. So the bottom line, if you want to be successful with LiveGood, you can. You just got to take this opportunity serious and take action. That's what it's all about. So if you're not already a member of LiveGood, I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. Jump on my team right now. It's the first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.